These guys left me walking. Come back! You guys gonna leave me in the street like this? Come on! These guys actually kicked me out of the car, and now they're making me chase them. Every time I get close, they run away with the car. This is crazy. Dude, bro, come back! You guys don't make me run, man. I'm running to you guys, whatever. Okay, I'm on the boat. Look what they do. They go faster. There's a car. Stop! No! Dang! You guys suck. They got me walking down the street. Check this out. This is mad crazy. I'm gonna run again. Alright, hold on, guys. You guys made me run half a block. Okay, there they are. No! No! Guys! Guys! Goodbye! No! No, stop! Can I get it now? You guys made me run and everything. They think you'll run about a mile, bro. My God, dude. This is a trip to remember. You guys are horrible. Thank you.